Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So for Dogecoin, I remain of the view that we are not in a breakout pattern. It is of course possible. The breakout pattern would be the blue wave count. I do not trust it. The blue wave count would mean we've moved up in a wave 1 back in June, came down in a long wave 2, we moved up in a wave 3, we came down in a wave 4, a super sharp pullback. It would have to be a diagonal pattern, not reliable at all. And until I see this fifth wave, which of course is possible as long as we are in the channel, but as long as I don't see the fifth wave, I cannot confirm that a bottom has been made here. 5 waves up, and then I want to see A, B, C down. Until I see this, I can't confirm that a bottom has been made. When we came down here to the support area, I made you aware, of course, from these support areas, long trades are possible, but it's just not a super reliable chart. Yeah, with Doge, you need to know as soon as Elon makes a tweet, this thing can go crazy. Okay, so it always is a bit take it with a pinch of salt to a degree, but the movement that is coming off the low doesn't convince me that this is an impulsive move to the upside. So I'm really conscious of the fact that it could be an ABC in wave 5. Yeah, looking at all of this as a diagonal pattern, as I said. But it's not a reliable pattern. Nothing I would necessarily trade, because there are better charts that give us more reliable patterns that are better to trade. But yeah, surely it could go up from here. It can. It's now in a resistance area, which we take a look at as well. But it can move up higher as long as it is in this broader channel. We lost a trend line recently here. Now that's not a big thing. It hasn't really fully broken down, so I'm going to take that out. So the blue count could work out, not high confidence. Actually, the last one of the, it's sort of the least likely ones of the ones that I have actually. The next count is the red one. I don't fully trust it either anymore. I think we've moved up a bit too strong. That would imply that we've put a high wave 4 in place here, and we are now moving down in wave 5, and the next low could put the bear market low in place. It would imply here the red count would be a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down. We're now in a wave 4, and we could push a last low in place in a wave 5, maybe into the region around 5 cents or so. That's a count where I don't yet see a high in place. Where I don't see a low in place yet, and this is one of the preferred counts for me. In this count, we have reached, however, a level that basically we're pushing here into the region around the 61.8% retrace. That is actually a little bit too high for a wave 4. So this is not my preferred count, not the absolute preferred count, not the primary count. It is one that I think is quite likely, because the move to the upside looks very corrective, but it's not my primary count because we've pushed a little bit too high. The primary count is actually the yellow one that I made you aware in the last video already, that yes, fair enough, we put a wave 4 high in place here, that's still the view, and we are moving down in wave 5, but not in a small 5 wave structure, but rather in a larger one. So the view is that all of the move down on the 9th of November was a wave 1. We're now putting in place a wave 2 that could still stretch higher, then a wave 3 down, a wave 4, and a wave 5. That could take us down quite a bit. In this wave 2 now, yeah, my view would be that no, 1 second, the wave 1 would actually need to sit here, yeah, because then I can see this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triangle and a 5 down. It would work out very nice in terms of proportions. And then my view would be that we're actually moving up in this yellow count now in a wave A. We moved down in a B wave, and we're now pushing higher in a C wave. And that allows me to calculate a target for the wave 2, because I can take the length of the A wave, go down to the low of the B wave, and the 1-to-1 ratio would take me to 12.5 cents. So that would be ideally the target for this wave 2. If we push above that, we can look at the 1.618 extension. That would be quite a bit of a stretch, because we would then move up quite a lot for a wave 2. That would be 14.8 cents. So this is the primary count. That's the one that I think is most likely. Pushing a little bit higher now in a C wave to either 12.5 or 14.8 cents. That's my update about Dogecoin. Not bullish at the moment, yeah. Until I really see the 5 waves in blue, I don't trust the bullish count. I'm still here looking for one more low. But yeah, short-term upside in a wave 2, likely. Okay, and that's my update about Dogecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.